How to rate Horror Tale 2. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can rate this game. First of all, open the application. Now, in order to rate it, here on the left bottom, you can see this rating icon. Simply tap on it. Here, you'll be able to see different rating stars. So, you can simply select the rating stars that you want to rate. So, you can rate it according to the experience and whether you like the game or not. So, 1 is the least and 5 is the most. So you can select any of the ratings, and here on the bottom you can see rate. Simply tap on rate and ratings has been done. You can even directly rate it through Play Stores and even give your own opinion and review about the game. So this will help the developers too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.